Yes. So I wish everyone a very happy and prosperous new year. Hope you have enjoyed your vacation well. Okay. Thank you. Thank you everyone. So now we have come back to our study now. Okay. So this is your science class as you know. So I will start the class now. We are doing chapter number 8. Our body is a wonderful machine. So I will continue with the same chapter. Okay, we are doing the exercise, no? So I'll write here exercise. This is page number 56. Okay, I think all of you have enjoyed your Christmas, no? Okay, so all of you must get ready with your science book now. This is page number 56. I will request everyone to have a pencil in your hand. You will write down what I am telling. You will write down in your book, because these portions will do in the book. This is because this is a bit oral type question exercise, question answer. Then question answer part we will do in the exercise book or copy, science copy. Okay. Okay, so before starting the new section, means we will start today now from number C. I will discuss orally what we have done in the previous class. In the previous class we have completed from the exercise A, section A and section B. Section A is section A is tick the correct answer. So I will just have a recap there. See, number one, internal organs are protected by muscle, skeleton, nerves. It is skeleton. All of you must check your answer now. It will be skeleton. Number two, the heart, the blood and blood vessels form the circulatory system. Okay, the heart, blood and blood vessels form the circulatory system. Number three, the dash system throws out our body waste. The excretory system throws out our body waste. Okay. Next, number four, the bones in our skull protects our heart, brain, kidneys. It will be brain. Yes, very good. Now number five, our heart is made up of only muscles, bones, vessels. It will be muscles. Okay. Now I will discuss number B, fill in the blanks. Yes. Which number two? The heart, the blood and the blood vessels form the circulatory system. It will be circulatory system. See page number 56. I am talking about page number 56. Okay, now I will discuss number B, fill in the blanks. Food is mixed with saliva in the mouth. Number one will be mouth. Okay, see here. So food is mixed with saliva in the mouth. Number two, different dash together form an organ. Different tissues together form an organ. Next, the dash system helps to produce babies. The reproductive system helps to produce babies. Number four, breathing purifies our what? What is the answer? Breathing purifies our blood. Number 5, our skeleton system is made up of how many bones? 206 bones. Yes. Number 6, dash are the building blocks of our body. So what is the answer? Dash are the building blocks of our body. So the cells are the building blocks of our body. Yes. Now today we will continue from number C. I C will do from today. So I will request everyone to write the answer in your science book. Number 6 is cells. Cells are the building blocks of our body. Now, number C, give two examples for each. Okay. Number 1, organs of digestive system. Okay. Organs of digestive system. You have to give two example, two organ. So I'll write here mouth, and number B is stomach. Okay. Next one. Number 2, organs of nervous system. Organs of nervous system. Okay. Number A, I'll write brain. You have to give two examples. So number 1 organ is brain, number B is spinal cord. Both are very important for our nervous system. Okay. Next, number 3, organs of excretory system. Organs of excretory system. What are those organs? I will write kidneys. KIDNEYS, kidneys. And number B, I'll write lungs. Okay. Understood, everyone? So we have completed this one. Give two examples for each. So number 1, organs of digestive system. Organs are mouth, stomach. Then organs of nervous system, brain and spinal cord. And number 3, organs of excretory system, kidneys and lungs. Okay. Now we will move to section D. Match the following. All of you will follow page number 57. So I will erase the board. Okay, I think all of you have completed. Yes. All of you have completed? Yes. So I will wrap the board now. Okay. Okay. Daksha. Acha, I will request everyone to mute your microphone. Everybody will mute the microphone, please. Okay. Now we will solve number D. This is page number 57. Okay. Number D. Match the following. Match the following. Okay. Let me write this one, then I will solve it. Column A, then column B, column A, column B. Column A, number 1, skull. Number 2, skin. Number 3, large intestine. Yes. Number 4, cells. Number 5, ribs. Okay. Now, okay. Now column B. Okay. Number A, protect heart. Number B, protects brain. Protects brain. Okay. Number C, building blocks. Building blocks of body. Number D, throws extra water. Throws extra water and salts as sweat. Extra water and salts as sweat. And next one, number E, absorption of water. Okay. So now let us solve this one. Skull. Skull will be protects brain. Number 1. Number 2, skin. Skin will be throws extra water and salt as sweat. Number 2. Number 2 will be D. Okay. I will write the answer once again. Then large intestine, absorption of water. Large intestine will be absorption of water. Then number 4, cells. Cells will be building blocks of body. Number C, number C. And ribs. Ribs will be protect heart. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. I'll write the answer once again here. So your answer will be, I'm writing the answer once again. 1 skull, 1B, 2 skin. Skin will be is that throws extra water and salt as well. 1D, 2D. 3 3 is large intestine absorption of water. 3E. 4 cells, building blocks of the body. It will be number C. And number 5 is ribs. Ribs is protect heart. Number A. Okay. So number 1 skull will be protects brain. Number 2 skin will be throws extra water and salt as sweat. Number 3 large intestine will be absorption of water. Cells is building blocks of body, and ribs protect heart. Okay, very good. So I think all of you have completed this one. Now I will solve number F. Okay, F. We will do that diagram solving, labeling of the diagram. Okay. So I'll rub the board now. Okay. So we are doing, in our today's class, we are doing the solving of the exercise of chapter number 8. We have done up to D, we have done. Now I will do number E now. Okay, this is from page number 57. Number E is identify the organs. Identify the organs in the pictures. Okay, let me do it separate wise. Okay, first of all, number A, what is this organ system? What is this organ system called? Number A, it is respiratory system. So I'll write here number A, respiratory system. Okay, first organ. First is, what is the first organ? Number 1 is nose. Number 2, it is windpipe. Number 3, it is lungs. Okay, so first organ system is respiratory system. Number 1 labeling is nose. Number 2 is windpipe. Number 3 is lungs. Now we will go to next organ system. Number B, it is, what is the system called? It is our digestive system. Digestive system. Okay, so what are the organs? Number 1, it is mouth. Number 2 is food pipe. Number 3, is stomach. Okay, number 4, small intestine. Okay. Number 5. What is this 5? Large intestine. Large intestine. And number 6. Yes. Number 6 is anus. What? Number 4 is small intestine. So I'll repeat this one. Today up to E we will do. Okay. So we have completed E. So I'll repeat what we have done. Number E, identify the organs. Number A, respiratory system. The organs are number 1, nose. Number 2, windpipe. Number 3, lungs. See the picture. And number B, what is the organ system? It is our digestive system. The organs are number 1, mouth. Number 2, food pipe. Number 3, stomach. Number 4, small intestine. Number 5, large intestine. Number 6, anus. Understood, everyone? I think all of you have done this one. Today only up to this E. Okay? In our next class, I will be doing the very short answer question. Okay. So thank you everyone for the class.